Hey guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. And you're going to be seeing me doing some plumbing in this video. The actual plumbing, the soldering and some of the fitting and all of that good stuff. And I wanted to do a review, a product review on this. This is a blowtorch. Yeah, there. See, hear that New England accent? Blowtorch from Harbor Freight, and I'm really happy with it. It works pretty slick. It was, I think, around $18 or so. It's automatic start. You just turn your thing here, hit the button, and off she goes. A lot better than what I have been doing, fussing around with a lighter or even a scratch lighter, a regular propane, a butane lighter. So yeah, I'd recommend it, and works much better than one I had bought online for about the same money. Has a much sharper point to the flame, and it just works great all the way around. And I like the fact that it's like you're holding on to the handle and not having to hold on to the torch. And it's at a right angle to the tank, which is the way you do most of your plumbing. And normally you have to hold the tank down here, and the nozzle is pointing straight up or with a little bit of an angle at the top. But I think this is much better because it just, at least it worked for me. Thought you might enjoy that. So now on with the rest of the update for today. Bingo. Sometimes you really got to get into your work, you know what I mean? This is what you call playing with the layout when you're not playing with the layout. Yeah, I told you guys when I quit working on the lawnmowers, I'd have a lot more time to be working on the layout. It takes a whole lot longer to cut and fit everything than it does to solder it up. That's the easy part. Building the musical instrument is the hard part. Well, we have the rest of our plumbing put back together now, and I've got to put the valves in. I'm waiting for the tubing to cool down a little bit. these two valves here feed over to those pipes which go up to the shower in the bathroom. And then I replumbed up here to go to our washing machine, and you can see how they both go up with 90s and then head across. Let me swing you around over here if I can do it without tripping over stuff. And yeah, I made one longer than the other so they would bypass each other, and they go right straight up through, and you saw how that works. And then as this comes past that and past the shower head, I had to feed it over to get it over for the rest of the bathroom. And the first two that you see hooked together there, those are yeah, the one on the right is for the toilet supply, and the one on the left is for the sink, cold for both of them. And the other one out here is the hot water feed for the bathroom sink. So we're all plumbed up, and my wife gave her stamp of approval, so that means I did a good job. You know what I'm saying? So my next step now is to put all the valves back together and turn the water on, see if I got any leaks. Well, there we have it. They're all turned on, with the exception of the two going to the shower, because I don't have the valve in up there yet. I don't see any leaks anywhere, and my wife tells me there's no leaks upstairs. And that's the kind of reports I like to have. Yes, sirree, Bob. So, until next time, this is George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, saying thanks for watching. And boy, look at that splatter right in the middle of my pond. Ay, 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 I hope it will come off. I hope it didn't do any damage. That's the way it goes. And I see another one over here on the tracks. Ay, ay, ay. Have to do some repairs, I'm sure. Thanks for watching, for commenting and subscribing. Bye now. Well, I guess there wasn't any harm done. In fact, the water is so nice today that a couple of people came out to go in their canoe. Bye now.